Hi guys! Welcome to my video!
Today we're 1v1 with each character who's starting off as our main.
Okay, pick your corner. By the way guys, I suck at this game. Please do not criticize me. Okay na?
Alright.
I think I suck. No. Akala ko peperi ka. Surprise attack. Ouch. No. Putik.
Kuya pa. Ay, excuse na kuya kung mag-ahal.
Yoko nga. What if come back ka ulit? Yum. No! Oh shit, I'm screwed. Oh! Nakalimutan ko pwede. Stationary ako kung ano. Ah! No. Agay ko. Agay ko. No! Bro, come back. Bro, come back. No! It's a big... You said it! No! I'm scared. I'm scared. Ah! No! Ah! I'm scared of you parrying. Never mind, I didn't shoot. No! I'm cooked!
You're
No!
gonna use the strongest hero.
Yep. Pick your corner.
Go.
Yes, go. Hiya! Nope. Ah! I suck! I didn't practice. What the heck? What the heck? I missed! Bro, I think I'm so bad. No! Agay ko. Ganyan. Ow! No! Spare me! No. How about no? What? Ah!
Well guys, next is Monster 4, aka Monster Garu.
Ooh. Okay. Pick your corner. Ah.
2,
Okay.
1, go.
Okay, wait. Okay na. I know I can block that. I suck. I honestly forgot how to use this. Huh? You intercepted! Ow! Oh. How? I don't know what I'm doing. I think I'm bad at this game. Keep intercepting me! Can I win once? No!
This is how you learn, bro.
No! I don't want to learn if I keep losing.
That's how you learn your mistakes.
Okay. I am now learning. No! What? Ow! 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 No. Wrong!
Only has his enemy. Knows everyone's enemy.
Wait! You are in this. Ay, never mind. What? I hate this. I hate the wind up, honestly. Oh, come on! That's... Ah! Please, let me live! Live! Ah! I suck. Please! No!
GG's, bro. The next character is
No! You're main!
Deadly Ninja.
What?
Yes, Deadly Ninja known as
Hey!
Sonic.
It's destructive sideboard!
You use your main. That's your main, so you can't use it.
Ah! Okay. Up.
Right, pick your color.
Yes. I get. I know. Wait. Are you
3, 2, 1, go.
Shuriken? Boom! 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 This, I love this. It's spammable. Surprise! What? Oops. Wrong button. This is probably my No. Ah! Noob versus pro. Who will win? I think not me. No. Yes! Lucky me. Shoot. Oh shoot!
Bro, that's not fair. Why are you lagging?
Honestly, our internet's so bad.
Boom.
Okay,
I don't know how to play this, so yeah.
okay. Kala ko sasabihin mo hindi sabol ako. I think you know it.
No.
I think I'm not.
Use your evasion.
Ow. Boom. I think I will not win. Please let me win. Bye. Ow. Oh. Shoot. I know you. Shoot. No. Why are you not using your scatter ability? Oh, never mind. I took. Ah! No! I'm red. I'm red. That's. GG's.
GG's win. Next character is Brutal Demon.
Ooh.
Alright, pick your corner again.
Ooh, this is my
By the
main.
way, if you hear that
Hey.
phone is singing, don't worry about it.
Yes, ignore the background noises.
Alright.
Okay. Yes, you go.
I know I'm gonna get smashed. Detroit! Smash! Detroit!
Oh, I missed. Grand slam.
There goes this.
I know this. Never mind, I didn't know this. No. Don't get. I forgot how to do. Ground slam.
Bro, I don't know anything.
This is my favorite. This is my main. Before Cyborg. No!
Bro.
Don't embarrass me. Just joking.
What you mean?
Ow! What? Oh, home run. Go, home run! Where? Shoot. This is kind of chaotic. Boom! 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 This is kind of so chaotic. No! Ah! No! Wow.
Bro,
So what? I think you are winning. Surprise! What? Are you? I'm lagging. Wait. I'm lagging. You are invisible. Where are you? Where? Wait. Can I hit? What the heck? Wait. You are invisible. I think. Never mind. You are not invisible now. On my screen, it's glitch.
who's the hitter?
It's kind of buggy. No. No! Ignore the background noises.
Bro, just turn it off.
Ow! No, GG's.
GG's. Bro, I don't know this. Next is Blade Master.
You beat me on this. You beat me this one. You know this one. I know.
Alright, pick your corners.
Oh no, I'm cooked.
Alright.
I'm cooked.
This corner.
Oh,
You ready?
wait. Yes, I'm ready.
Alright, go.
I'm scared. You bait. I know you bait.
Ah, you
No, I cannot bait you. Surprise! No! I'm cooked. You bait again. Ah! don't know. You didn't wait.
I really thought I'm gonna fall for that.
Bro, I cannot even win one. Can you give me this one?
No.
Oh, come on!
Alright, GG.
I'm so embarrassed. This is...
This wild physics. His second main. Alright.
Wait, this is before... This is before Brutal Demon, I think.
No. Alright, I'm gonna pick my card.
Yeah.
I already know I'm cooked.
Yes.
You can take this one, Top.
Yes!
Alright, go.
I'm not that confident. Oh, bakit ka lumapit sa akin? The whole... No!
I saw you playing this.
Oh, shoot! What? You cannot block that? I want shield. I want shield! Give me your shield! I should not be aggressive. Let me go! Let me go! Wait, what? Saan? Wait lang. Wait. Saan ka? You are frozen. Ah! You are frozen. What? Ah! You wait. Frozen ka na naman. You are frozen. Bro, you are frozen. Bro, you are frozen.
To be a dinosaur.
Bro, you are frozen. Finally. I'm scared. I'm scared. No! I said no. Go over there.
What? I thought you said
Yeah. Oh my gosh. One Punch Man. One Punch. No! 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 This is my third place.
Now, guys, we're not gonna record Tech Prodigy, but KJ will do. But next is martial artist.
Yes. We are too broke.
We don't even have Robux.
Yes. That's the point. Please like.
Pick your corner.
Yes.
Alright, go!
Please like and subscribe, and we will get Robux, I guess. That's just false up. I don't know what I don't know what think you hacking. You hacker. You are a hacker. No! I am trash. I know it. I'm more interested to play KJ.
Isn't that... never mind.
Yeah. Saan ka na naman? You are frozen in my screen. You are frozen in my screen, I swear. Never mind if... Oh my gosh. No! I suck at this game!
Don't say that to yourself, bro.
I said that. Please spare my life! Ah!
Wait, wait, we can use... Wait, yeah, alright. I didn't remember. So finalist!
KJ. Honestly, I don't
Honestly,
know.
I'm not even excited for this.
This is kind of interesting. Please like and subscribe, by the way. Joke lang. Just joking. You can...
Alright, pick your
I pick this one.
Alright, I'm here. Go! Final round, guys. Will he get a point? Yes or no?
What the heck? You are invisible. You are frozen. Bro. Look at my screen. This. What is this? Parehas tayo. Hala tayo.
Bro, dagging. Bro, what are you answering for?
Right. This is. I suck.
Stupid thing.
Honestly, Krada ko ruin this one dating.
What's that?
No! Please, let me win! Please! Please!
You're lucky you missed that one because you used your invasive.
Ah!
I hate you.
Surprise! Yes. Hit! I'm screaming. What? Oh no! You use your. Let me win! Please! Let me win! No! Let me win! Wow! I'm one! Go away!
Bro,
So laggy.
no running.
Okay.
GG's.
No! Yes, it's a GG da! This is kind of embarrassing. 0 out of 10 or 9.
I know, bro. It's so. But if you want more content like this, you can subscribe to watch more videos. That's
Yes!
it for today.
Bye!